I get emails and messages from men telling me that they reached out to a woman and the woman didn't remember who they were. How could she really forget me? Did she really forget me? Is she just playing games? On the other side, I've spoken to women before and they told me that this guy reached out to them and they couldn't even remember who the guy was because the man didn't leave an impression in the woman's mind. What does this mean if a man doesn't leave an impression in a woman's mind? What is that telling the man? It's essentially saying that the man is too safe, he's too boring, he's not making the woman feel anything, and this ties into the most important thing, and that is memories and emotions are tied together. And if you don't make a woman feel anything emotional at all, she's not going to have any strong memories towards you, she's not going to have any strong feelings towards you, there's going to be no connection. So this means that you need to make a woman feel something. You need to get an emotional response out of a woman if you want her to remember you and to be unforgettable. A woman will never forget a man who makes her feel something and triggers powerful emotions. How do you trigger powerful emotions? Let's start at the beginning. You're bold and confident. Okay, that captivates her attention. It makes her feel something. You push for intimacy, you're not holding back, you're honest, you're direct, you make her feel something, whether that feeling is frustration, whether it's anger, whether it's joy, whether it's excitement, whether it's tension, whether it's anxiety. Any kind of emotion that you get a woman to feel is going to associate itself with a memory in a woman's mind, and she's going to remember you that much more powerfully. On the other hand, if you don't trigger any emotional responses, which a lot of guys don't want to do, they want to play it safe and be the nice guy because they think that by playing it safe and being nice, they're going to separate themselves from other men who make a woman feel upset or make a woman feel uncomfortable. But that's not what you want to do. You don't want to lean into that. You want to be able to confront a woman. You want to be able to challenge a woman. Sometimes you even want to instill the elements of dread, which are forms of tension in a woman, to make her feel uncomfortable and uneasy, because that is going to trigger an emotional response. And it doesn't matter if the emotional response is positive or negative. A woman just has to feel something for you to remember you.